Hello everyone and welcome back for my final morning report analysis video on Tuesday 22nd of May with me, Japan market analyst at Hantec Markets. Going to look at gold, which has ticked higher. Bull hammer candle yesterday as the dollar lost ground yesterday. The gold price rallied, and that rally, although a little bit lower today, has unwound once more and is sort of pulling higher. It's actually now its highest since sort of early last week on Wednesday. So this is interesting. Is this going to be the start of a recovery? I don't really know whether the sort of small nature, the small-bodied nature of these candles, bearing in mind that you've got the long lower shadows and then the recovery, would suggest that perhaps that there is a lack of decisive selling pressure. But I think what I would say is that I think that there is significant overhead supply to overcome before you can really class this as a recovery play. 1300 to 1310 is a long throughout 2018 was a floor, and now all those buyers that came in to support the market during that time are now going to become overhead supply and a source of selling pressure. So that is a key sort of aspect of this chart now. However, on a near-term basis, there has been a sort of settling of the selling pressure, and the small bodies of those candles would suggest that as well. And the market has just ticked higher. I wouldn't necessarily sort of go too far ahead of ourselves in terms of calling this as a strong recovery, but there is an improvement. You cannot deny that, but again, there is resistance even on a near-term basis that is sort of being tested, and I suppose 1296.80. I think that was 1296.80, 1296.90 is the reaction high from Wednesday last week, and if that is overcome, then you can start to see the gold price back into that 1300 to 1310 mark area. But that is I think that is a key area of resistance that I think that any sort of unwinding move would start to struggle. And I think I mean I'd still see on a medium-term basis that this is still a rally, a chart to sell rallies into strength, and this is just a near-term pickup that may be an unwinding move, but still I can see further downside potential ultimately with the big top pattern that we've still got on gold. So you got the rally off 1281.80 initially, and today's low. Again, the market picking up off an intraday sort of drop back to 1287.40, two levels of support. So I wish you good luck in trading, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.